Spanking. Many adults can remember being spanked as a child. This method of discipline continues to be endorsed by the majority of parents. Just how effective is spanking, however, and are there any negative consequences? After reviewing the research, one report stated, many studies have shown that physical punishment, including spanking, hitting, and other means of causing pain, can lead to increased aggression, antisocial behavior, physical injury, and mental health problems for children. Gershoff, 2008, reviewed decades of research and recommended that parents and caregivers make every effort to avoid physical punishment and called for the banning of physical discipline in all U.S. schools. Gershoff and colleagues, 2016, completed another meta-analysis that looked at over 160,000 children. They found increased risk for negative outcomes for children who were spanked, and that effects of spanking were similar to that of physical abuse. In a longitudinal study that followed more than 1,500 families from 20 U.S. cities, parents' reports of spanking were assessed at ages 3 and 5. Measures of externalizing behavior, aggression and rule breaking, and receptive vocabulary were assessed at age 9. Overall, 57% of mothers and 40% of fathers engaged in spanking when children were age 3, and 52% of mothers and 33% of fathers engaged in spanking at age 5. Maternal spanking at age 5, even at low levels, was associated with higher levels of aggression at age 9, even after an array of risks and earlier child behavior were controlled for. Fathers' high-frequency spanking at age 5 was associated with lower child receptive vocabulary scores at age 9. This study revealed the negative cognitive effects of spanking in addition to the increase in aggressive behavior. Internationally, physical discipline is increasingly being viewed as a violation of children's human rights. 30 countries have banned the use of physical punishment, and the United Nations Committee on the Rights of the Child, 2014, called physical punishment legalized violence against children, and advocated that physical punishment be eliminated in all settings. Alternatives to spanking are advocated by child development specialists and include praising and modeling appropriate behavior, providing timeouts for inappropriate behavior, giving choices, helping the child identify emotions and learning to calm down, ignoring small annoyances, withdrawing privileges.